Hello friends, welcome. So before going and starting the JMeter tool, let's cover two important aspects questions. The first one is why to do performance testing. A website may be working fine when you are developing and you are testing, it was working fine. But you might have heard that when the live was in production, the system crashed or the issues start coming. The reason is that when you're testing, when you're doing functional testing, you are doing with 2 or 3 users. So the website works fine, the server works fine. But in real scenario, whenever, for example, there is a flight booking or during the Christmas, New Year, there's a huge type of load on the websites. So the websites start behave weirdly. Sometimes they start crashing. You're not getting response at the same time. So which hampers the business a lot. So it is recommended to do performance testing before the website is made live. The next question, why is JMeter? What is JMeter? Now the answer is that there are many performance testing tools like Load Learner, BlazeMeter, JMeter and other tools. JMeter is popular one because the best part is it is free and it has all the features which are in the paid tools. It's just that in the paid tools they have made it the easy way, but all those things can be achieved using the JMeter. JMeter not also provides some of the plugins. Like if you want to have some added functionality, it's an open source, so there are many plugins or enhanced features available. You can just install that plugin and JMeter will start showing that functionality. So JMeter is the popular in performance testing tool and the best recommended tool for performance and load testing. Thank you.